All right. I guess we're live. Yeah, cool. Let's begin today's stream then. Today will be basically all about deploying my Golang backend to EC2 using Docker. Yesterday I basically transitioned all my backend deployments to Docker on EC2. Earlier, those were deployed using the traditional method that was basically cloning the whole repo and starting the backend using VM2. So yeah, you can check out that stream if you want to check out about Node.js deployments or TypeScript deployments using Docker, and basically Prisma deployments also using Docker. Today will be all about Golang deployments. Right. Let's see what we have. All right, let's log into AWS first. WS6 and 2Z. Check the two-factor authentication. All right, what is the CPU status of this instance? Let's check first. It should be good right now, I guess. Monitoring. Yeah, it is pretty stable than my last EC2. So yeah, we can deploy on it. So basically this is the backend, Golang backend that I'll be deploying to my EC2 using Docker file. Current deployment, if you see, is basically a very traditional deployment. I just git pull the repo on EC2 and start a screen, a detachable screen on EC2, on my EC2, which runs my whole Golang build. That is what it does. So yeah, let me quickly bring my terminal actually. All right. All right. Let's open Docker and create a new project over here, which will be for my Quizy project. I need dev, I need staging, I just need production. Alright, and this is my Golang thing, right? Not this, but this is my Golang code base, and let me quickly get my env file. What all do we need? All right, first things first, let's add the port 18080. Next will be Mongo. Mongo URL. Next will be secret. API URL. API. Next is default, and the question will be this. Alright, and port is also added next to this. It is password. Yeah, let's just get it from here. The secret is this. Next is the pay token, which is this. URL is this, and register password is this. Right, I'll just save it quickly, and let me just move it here. Okay, alright. I'll also need to wait a second. Alright, I'll also need to update the course policy over here, which is quizy.div. quizy.div. Yeah, here it is. I also need to update it here. Cool. That's what we do. We'll quickly generate an access token for this. Alright, IP is updated, Doppler access key is added, Quizy May production, I have added my secrets, PRD and all. Alright, next thing is create a Docker file over here. First of all, let's create a Docker ignore. Docker ignore me, it will be .env. Anyways, I'm not pushing to GitHub. Won't be picking it anyways, but still let's add this. And what else do we need to ignore? Yeah, I can add temp directory. Cool. And ignore this. Let's create the Docker file. The official Golang image, I guess. What is the version that I am using right now? Version. Okay. I'm using 1.2.3.4. Alright. 1.23.4. Got it. It will be 1.23.4. Where is that? Tags. And I need, let's say, do we have a line for this? Diagonal 64. That means that 123.4 is the only. Okay, let's pick this actually. Okay, what is this Alpine thing? (3.1). Alrighty, let's pick this one. What is AS Builder? Okay, it is just for multi-stage builds. I don't think we need this. Reason being very simple, because wait a second. Alright, we don't need this. Okay, cool. What does Scratch do? Okay. Will not create an extra layer in hands of GSP2. You just do this, and okay, so what we are doing here is just copy this build, and okay. All right, I don't need this as of now. I think simple reason being why I'm saying so is okay. What is this doing for a Node.js? Do as builder, directory app, copy package. Then from builder, you copy directly the node modules. Okay, got it. So what it is doing here is very simple basically. Where did it go? Oh, you do as builder, work directory is app, go mod, download. Wait a second, where is my make file? Go mod tidy will do the stuff for me actually. Go.mod is copied, go.sum is copied. What else do we need? Do we need anything else? I don't need lint to run over here. Okay. I just have to do this build. Alright. I need to copy everything first. Copy everything. And what you need is you do a cmd के अंदर you go into server into main.code. This is done. Next is directory app, copy from builder, app to current app expose AT and cmd. Simply run this thing and it should work fine, I guess. Right, next compose the file. Already let's do one thing. Let's also try running this whole container thing over here. Next will be create a Docker compose file, right? Yeah, of course. These services, backend, this how you give a Docker file? Just a second, let me check. Is this how you give a Docker file? Okay, we don't have to explicitly give a Docker file already. No worries. Ports 8080 is exposed. I don't think we need this. Environment. Oh no. I'll be using Doppler, so I can simply give .env file, .env, and restart unless stopped. Deploy will be resources. Restart policy. Condition on failure. Delay will be 5 seconds. I don't need any max attempts for now. Alright, let's give max attempts actually. And networks will be quizzing network. Okay, Redis I don't need. Redis I'm already started on Ivan, so I'll just start this quizzing network on a bridge driver as a bridge network mode. Basically that's all I need. Cool. Next thing is, alright, let's do one thing. Let's just ignore .env for now. Let's just include .env for now, and then do a docker compose of the build. Alright, wait a second. Install docker compose on Mac. I need this plugin. I need a Mac. Apple Silicon. Wait a second, I already installed it. Yeah, of course. Of course. Yes, already there. Need compose. Install. Yeah, that's what we need. Mac is okay. What is this? Okay. I need it for Mac. Wait a second. I need it for Mac only. Mac. Where is this man? I already installed it. Yeah, I already have it. Cool. Docker compose up build. Let's see if it works or not. This should be up and running in a moment. has started. Let's see. Where is the refresh button? Oh, there it is. It's really started, right? Ready for C to go, right? Why did it not start? Error loading.env file. Okay. Why did it happen? Did I ignore? It is already added in Docker ignores like this. So what's happening? Docker compose dot env file is this. This is how you pass env file, right? Dot env. Yeah, that's how we pass env file. Then what's the issue? Back over here and try deploying it. No worries, let's see how it goes. I think this should run properly, but yeah, let's see. What is added? main.yml. Let me go into this and copy this basically. The main thing is I don't need to set up SSH or anything like this. I already have everything set up. I just need to copy this because the instance is same. Alright. So okay. Make it here. 6.35 is there. SSD is there. Where is my this? SSD here. Doppler XSE is there. So get full Docker compose of the guild. Cool. Let me quickly log into my EC2. Alright. Okay, fine. Let me clone the repo. Cloned. Cool. Great. And I have Quizzy. Cool. Let me go here. It goes into Quizzy. Get full. Compose of the build. Alright. There should be an action running. Let's see if it's running fine or not. Quickly expand the CPU monitoring over here and check the maximum usage. Okay, it failed. Why did it fail? Handshake failed. Unable to authenticate. Alright. Why did it fail now? GitHub action start. Wait a second. Easy backend is correct. Branch. Secrets what is the action path step one. Wait a second, what is the key I added here? Let me just update my SSH key also. Actually, this is the key. And let me update the secret. EC2 SSH key is updated. Topper access key is updated. EC2 IP is updated. Okay, let me try rerunning this. Alright, so basically it was an issue of SSH key. How is it running? Should have seen a spike. Yeah. Okay, it failed. Why did it fail now? No space left on device. Which device, man? Easy back. When SH alright. It is saying no space left on device. What's the status? CPU though is it? Yeah, CPU is it again. Let me pause the music for now. Cool, let's see. So no space left on device, right? No worries, let's do one thing. Alright, let's do one thing then. Let's not create a build over here. Okay. Instead, let me just do one thing. Let's just do one thing. Expose port it is good, fine. And this as a builder. Simply do cmd server main.go. That's what I'm gonna do. Cool. Basically not building it so that it doesn't occupy much space on my EC2 instance. Let's see the CPU usage. Let's wait for it to come down first. Is it down? Nope, not at all. Let's push and status. Let's see the recent build pipeline. I hope this works fine. All right, it is saying it. Sudo.ps. What's the status? Do I have it up and running? Yes, it is up and running. Cool. Sudo docker logs easy backend. Error is pronounced container. What? Sorry, this is an image. Alright. I need my container. Still saying downloading error response. Hey Prashant, thanks a lot, man. Means a lot. Okay. Let's just listen to music and see what's the issue, what's happening over here. It's just saying it is still downloading it. Alright. Cool. Most probably the server is up and running on port 8080. Next thing we need to do is, let me close these tabs first. Alright. Next thing is we need to deploy Quizzy frontend, and we need to write an nginx proxy file, reverse proxy file. npm install would work. And alright, what is the .env file for? Wait a second. Do I have a .env.sample? No. Okay. Okay, basically I get a very minimal bill. Sometimes I do get high bills. It's the case when I start multiple instances. But right now it's just, I guess, 70 to 80 rupees per month. Recently, last month I received a bill of, I guess, 700 or something. I can show you the billing. Just give me a moment. Cost management. Yeah, this is my this month's predicted cost. It's $0.85, less than $1 mostly. And last month's cost was $7.11, which turns around what, 600 rupees, I guess. Yeah, around 600 rupees. So generally it is free of cost for me. 70-80 rupees is nothing if you are running your servers on cloud. So yeah, that's pretty good, I would say. Alright, the CPU is pretty high right now. What's the issue? I need a .env.sample. I don't have to be able to see that. Okay, I don't have much over here. Cool, I just need this VTP URL. No worries, I'll add it. Add secret. VTP URL goes here. And let me add this as a secret. Oh, not this. Delete. Save. Oh, it's a mechanical keyboard. It's a basic keyboard from Cosmic Byte, which costs around, I guess this is the, I don't remember the exact model, but it costed me around 3 or 3.5k. Settings, let's add actions. Okay, I don't have anything there. I haven't set the deployment file name for front end actually. That's interesting. Alright. Does the CPU use right now? Is it really high or what? Maximum is what? Oh, it is. Great, the CPU user is back to normal. Continue the work. What was I doing? Okay, this should run everything, right? Next is server may not go. Okay, I need to check. Am I not printing anything? Config get in without port. I am printing multiple things over here, but why is this not working? Why is this not printing over there? I think I should be printing something over here also. Okay, anyways. Alright. Let's add EC2 SSH key. Give me a moment. Quickly add it. Next one will be EC2 IP, and IP will be this is my IP. Cool. Alright, it is the same. No space left on device. Alright, I don't have any space left on device. It's same. Great. What is the command? I forgot the command. Oh, it is sudo dfh. Yeah. That's the issue. Have I used everything? Yes. Okay, I guess ChatGPT asked me to create some swap memory thing. I don't want that swap memory thing. Right. Wait a second. I must have it in my previous chats. There it is. I need to deallocate it. How is this possible? I'm using all the 6.7 gigabytes of space. Alright. We done our swap memory. Then we remove this. Cool, then we do this. I'll just write the directory. Alright. Yeah, that's awesome. Now at least 1 GB of memory is available to me, so I can download. Actually, alright, what can we do for less memory allocation? Okay, one thing that we can do is very simple. Basically, it is to move all my front-end deployments to what do you call it? Move basically all my front-end deployments to Netlify or something like that. Another thing is I can delete. Wait a second. Password manager. Front-end, right? Go rm app first. Go df h. Go rmr node modules. DFH. Yeah, okay, let's do one thing then. I got an idea. What we can do is deploy panel. Here we have it, right? npm run build, it copies everything. Next thing is sudo rmr. I delete dest from here, and I also delete node modules from here. What it will do is basically remove my node modules and just a build directory of frontend, which I typically don't need, right? The reason for that is the build is already prepared. I'm just simply copying it to my var/www directory, so I won't be needing these node modules. This same can be done on password manager frontend. Okay, let me do this first. Actually, I don't need this one. So this is where we added, and sudo rmr test. Okay, what just happened? It failed. Why did it fail? Environmental syntax on 920. What is the error? Okay, the spacing is not great. Wow, how's this possible? We'll check once. Alright, this is a spacing issue. This should work now. Why is this not working? Why is this still giving me an error? Tabs are not okay. Tabs are not allowed as indentation basically. Got it. Got to learn something new today. Hopefully it does the job. Is it working fine? Yes, it is. Yep, it is working fine. Cool. Let me check ls now. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine, I guess now. The frontend is done. Alright. Build failed. Why? Loading post CSS t.let is not functioning. What? Frontend src index.css. Alright, let's leave it for now. Let's just okay. Anyways, I think we're done with the rest of the things, right? We need to fix this build. Could you frontend src? Why is this thing so? Done npm install. Let me do a clean install for this. It should work. Npm run build. Yeah, worked. Control CPR, paste. Add busy. Yep, works fine. Let me just quickly paste Nginx over here. Okay. Dot resume. Name port 8080. I need to generate an SSL certificate now, which will be alright. Carry out. Cool. Yeah, now there's enough space available. Let's visit this here if it's up and running, and let me also check the network calls if they are going fine or not. Let's check is going on. G.and okay, what's happening over here? Why are these requests going again and again? I'll repeat a second. API.0.dev, this is working fine. Oh, alright. API.0.dev is not working fine yet. Need to fix this and getting the request on this, right? Cool. To trash and okay, auth checking the issue is most probably. I know what's the issue. Fix this. Just give me a second and okay. Why is this not running? Let me check it once again. It's already cached. set it over here. And I'll import the chaos. Yeah, this should be active, right? Alright, give me a moment to test this working. Oh, alright. So the main thing is this doesn't have any .env file right now. Alright, I need to create a workflow for this .club. Workflows. .yaml. Where is this? It is. I paste it. Using front end. That's what we do basically. So that's pretty much it. And git status git git in. Okay. What happened over here? Why did it fail? Okay, it couldn't SSH into the server basically. Let me check what's the issue. The action variable's name EC2. Ah man, alright, got it. Got it. Delete it. Add a new repository secret, which is EC2 SSH key. And this is it, right? Hey, hi bro. What's up? Let's rerun this and let's see if it works or not. Okay. Basically what okay, give me a second, I'll just show you. Let's wait for this to run. Hopefully it will run. Alright, it will run. Okay, so what I did earlier was, let me show you. Now I'm basically using Docker to run anything like PM2. Okay, there's a thing called screen on Linux systems. I don't know if it exists on Windows or not, but yeah, there's something called screen. What it does is run a detached screen mode. So earlier what I did was, if you'll see my commits, let's go here. I used to run a screen, and on that screen I ran my Golang build and ran it in detached mode. So it ran continuously in the background as a server. That's what I did earlier. Now I have moved my deployments to Docker. So if you see my current deployment, it's nothing but just using a Docker file, and it is deploying the server. So what the Docker file does is copies my go.mode and go.sum, installs all the Go dependencies, and then it copies the whole thing and run it using this command. A better way could be to use it as a, what to say, a better way would be to use it as a builder. Use this as a builder and download all the Go modules. Then from there, create a Go build and copy it into your main container and then run it. So basically using Docker containers is way better to deploy your projects. Reason being, it runs in a detached mode, right? It's always containerized, so you don't have to create whole environment. Otherwise, what I had to do was download Golang on my server, my EC2, right? Then I had to install all the Go dependencies on my server every time. What this does is, I have a containerized environment. I just have to deploy my Docker file. That's it. I just have to download Docker and Docker Compose on my server, EC2 server, and it would work for me. This is the Docker Compose if you want to see it. And let's see the status. Yep, it ran successfully. Let's see if it is running up and running now. It should be up and running. Okay, it's still not up and running. Why is it so? Dev, why is this not running? Is this running? Auth check failed because it's a bad gateway. See, it's a bad gateway. Okay. Basically, I'm currently deploying my Golang backend only, so you can stay and watch if you want to. Yes. Logs. Okay, let me do one thing. I do have a command which gives all the logs in real time. One over here. Image name is will run. What just happened? Oh, wait a second, man. Sudo. Why is this not running? Is my Quizzy not working? Why is Quizzy not working? And what was this? Oh, wait a second. My Quizzy backend is not up and running. Okay. Why is it happening? Let me rerun the action and see. Why did this happen? Rerun all jobs. Backend. Yeah, now it's running, I guess, on port 8080. Cool. And what I'll do is it's just still downloading everything. Why is this happening, man? It's stuck on downloading. Okay, let me update the Docker file. As builder. Wait, I already have this written. Is Hey, I need to ask you something. I'm trying to do a chat with Golang in Node. I use socket.io. Alright. Okay, so you need to know about the library, the socket library in Golang, right? I am hoping that's what you need to ask, I guess. Let me know if this is what you want. Docker file. Yeah, so that has just copy this one. It have some namespace and lister how in Golang. Okay, what to do in Golang for that is, I guess it's wait, I'll tell you. This is the quiz router, I guess. Wait a second. Socket. Yeah, it is Gorilla WebSocket which I have used. If you've seen socket.go, what I have done is I've used basically this GitHub. If you see Gorilla slash WebSocket, you'll find this package for WebSockets on Golang. What it does is it upgrades your route to a WebSocket route. Alright, so basically, if you see, I'll have a quiz router over here. Question and quiz, controller or submit quiz. No, already start. If you go in the start quiz now, you'll see I would have updated this route to be a socket route. Yeah, there you see. I've updated to a WebSocket connection. So what you do in Golang is write a route just as you do normally. Then you basically upgrade that route to a socket, WebSocket route. Alright. And after updating that to a WebSocket route, you do your usual stuff. This is a good package. I found it pretty intuitive. That's why I used it. This what do you call this? Gorilla WebSocket or whatever. It's a pretty good package. I would say you can use it. Alright, let's see what I've done in Docker file. Copy everything, run go build. Yeah. Run app/query. Cool. Let's see if it works. Add. It's my browser. Alright. Hopefully it runs this time. Oh, let me show you, man. This is the send question function for me. Right. What it does is it emits events from this. Alright. So I haven't listened to the user events, user side events on this. It was just a sending thing for me on this route. Let me pause the music. Cool. So what I did was it gets a WebSocket connection as a parameter. Next is all that wait groups and all whatever you need for this. Then over here you get a connection dot write message. Over here you can send it over a text message. So what it does is writes a text message. This write message is the function basically which you are looking for to emit. And I'm pretty sure there would be something like con dot read message. There you see. You can listen to the messages using this read message thing. That's how you can basically listen and write messages. What's the CPU usage status? But that's pretty good. Yeah, it's decent. Done. It's done. Okay. What? Sudo docker. Yes. Why is this saying error loading .env file? Is this not able to get it? Just do a clear thing. hope I cleared your doubt, man. You can do one thing now. Just go on this repo if you want to check it out. Okay. Over here, I'll just quickly paste the link. You can check out this repo if you want to for Golang WebSocket connections. What's happening over here is exporting the image because your backend is done. Okay, it couldn't get the .env file. Why so? Let me check if I have added the Doppler access key or not. Doppler access key is there, right? And in my main.yml, let me close the rest of the things, man. All right, I am using Doppler access key. Oh, great. Yeah, basically you can use that write message and read message. Oh, hope it helped you out, man. EC2 SSH key is perfectly working fine. Okay, I don't need this .jsx. This is what's it doing? Doppler secrets download. Okay, is it not downloading the .env file? Let me check it first. cat.env. Okay, it has downloaded. Then what's the issue? Where is this loading it? Get.env.port. How does this get.env work? Port 8000. What if we use this? Get.env. Was not get.env. Key. What's the key over here? Okay, this is the key. Then it returns a value. Okay. All right, got it. So why is this not working? My env file is getting loaded over there. Go.env.load. Okay. Why is this not working? Goes one directory up, goes one directory up. Then it passes .env. Right, goes here, then gets .env. That's what it is doing, I guess. What's the issue then? It is not able to load .env file. Yeah, that is, at least that's what it said over here at first. Error loading .env file. Let me rerun it first, and let's rerun all the jobs. Not this one actually. Did I need this one? Nope. This is not what I need. I want to go on here in Quizy, and this is the update Docker file thing. Let's rerun these jobs. Quizy backend is downloading. It's getting in. Okay. What if I do a go download? The thing is, it's not getting .env file. It's not importing the environment variables, I guess. It was giving an error over here. What's the error? Let's print this, and in my Docker file, let me do this. Copy everything. Okay, I use this as a builder. All right, let's wait for this to stop, then I can rerun the whole thing. Which app are you talking about, bro? Are you talking about Quizy or are you talking about Kali? Like if you're talking about Kali, you cannot test it with a dummy account because it will need a Google account to log in. If you're talking about Quizy, you'll have to create an account. Reason being, what it does is uh, it allows users to have a real-time quiz. So you'll anyways have to use a real account. Like I don't think there's any. You're talking about Quizy. All right. All right. Why do I need to read .env file? I okay. Even if I'm deploying as a container, I need my environment variables, right? So what I'm doing is right now I'm getting the environment variables over here in a .env file. All right. Now it is not able to read it, I guess. Like that's what it said in a normal deployment. Let's see if it is up and running over here now. Yeah, it's not able to run. Let's do one thing then. Let me just do this. Git push. Yeah, you can. Yeah, sure. I'll show that. I think I and this user 11x also did a real live quiz on one of the live streams. But just give me some minutes. I'll deploy it and then I can show you how it works. Once the backend is up and running, then I'll definitely show you. Now, wow, did it work? Wait a second, man. Actions may. How is it possible that it ran so fast? Switch into server and deploy. Alrighty. Yes. Alright, I need to run this command. Oh man, I need to pass one over here. Okay, what did it say? A file open no such file or directory. Cool. That's not possible because the reason is I already have a .env file over here. If I do LSA, you will see I already have .env over here. I just think so. Not sure. Let me do one thing. In Golang, what's the error? Wait a second. Okay, it should run. It's saying. Let's see if it works like that or not. Cool. Git add update. Git push. Hopefully it runs this time. Okay. It's downloading everything. Let's see if it gives an error this time or not. Hopefully it is not. Downloading. Xing 0.1.0.0. Okay, this is where it gave me error. This is where it threw me the error. Let's see if it runs this time. If you want to see a demo locally how it works, I'll just quickly show you. Give me a moment. Where does this go? Right. Make dev. And this is the front end now. Which front end is this? Okay, this is Cali front end. Got it. And let me just quickly do. Do I have anything running here? A new window. Quizzes. All right. Is this live? Yep, true. Duration seconds is this. Lifetime. Let's make it what? It is 22 Feb, right? Or is it going loading? No such file directory. All right. Let me just quickly deploy it again and using this. It doesn't get push make dev and npm. Okay. .env. It will be running on what port? Localhost 8000 npm run dev, and this should be up and running. Yeah, that's up and running. All right, let's see how it goes. Cool. So what you need to do is, this is one of the test accounts. If you want to go over here, you can log in. Our next thing is, wait a minute, I'll quickly make the quiz live. Console log date. I'll make it live for 31. What the fuck, man? All right, I need 25 for 20 seconds, 0, 2, 2, 31, 0, 0. Oh. Dot to ISO string, and this is what I need. Cool. Let's make this one live. Cool. I'll just refresh it. Yeah, there you go. That's how it looks like. It's a very basic UI. I can make a quiz live anytime, and you can start the quiz now. Time until starts is this. How it works is, it works on a real-time leaderboard base. So if you see, I'll have a WebSocket connection over here. Okay, let a request come. You can see it. So what it does is, it has a WebSocket connection established with every single user. All right, it sends a question. Okay, what the hell, did the backend crash or what? I guess the backend crashed, I guess. Wait a second, I will quickly. Acha, theek hai. It didn't work, I guess. Reason being, I've already given the quiz or something like that. Lifetime is this. and you can play it at 32. All right, and I'll quickly refresh it, start the quiz. Message is type is connected, start quiz is api.quiz.install. अच्छा ठीक है, it is not running perfectly because the request URL is hard coded into this. Let me just quickly update the request URL. That's why it didn't work. WebSocket host 8000 and I'll do npm run dev. And let me update the quiz time to what? Cancel it. Okay, let's update it to 4. And you can basically join the quiz 2 minutes prior to the start time. So if you see, I have joined the quiz, the connection is successful. Now it would send me messages after 60 seconds. If you see, like, let's wait for 60 seconds and then you can see that it would be sending questions over the WebSocket connection, and those questions would be sent to every user. They reply, and this leaderboard is also sent over WebSocket connection only to update in real time. So if there are multiple users, like there were real users in one of the live streams, I guess 2 or 3 users were there, and at that point we could see okay, the real leaderboard was getting updated in real time. So that's how it works. Let's just wait 28 seconds and see if the questions are arriving or not. Also, there's a buffer added in this question sending time. See, this question arrived, right? And if you see, I have the options which will be shown here. Then I have, if it's a multiple correct question or not, I have the question ID, I have the question text. For example, if you need anything, let's say, yeah, there you go. I answered a question, I got the updated leaderboard. I'm getting leaderboard because I might have attempted this quizzes already, right? So yeah, that's how it works basically. Cool. And let's select this. So that's how it basically works. I hope made sense to you. And all right, let me just quit this and close the server. Exit. What's happening over here? I don't need this. And let's go dev होगा this will be. ठीक है. I'll push this later. Let's first check if my deployment worked or not. Okay, it didn't work again. Reason being not in file open, didn't open. Great. Cool. Was it for this one or was it for the previous one? I don't know. I don't remember exactly. Yeah, thanks, bro. Now the only thing remaining is loading of these .env variables. If it does not load properly, I'll have to run it using Docker env variables. Let's see. Let's give it 1 or 2 more tries and then we can see how it goes. Okay, we need to deploy. Okay, what's happening? Go.env.load. Go.env.load. Okay, it defaults to the current directory. Got it. So the issue lies over here basically. What it's doing is it doesn't find it in this config file. Like that's the issue over here. Got it. That's the issue. So basically I can update my .env file path and it should properly run. Right. What I need to do is, where is my Docker file? Not Docker file exactly, but main.yml. Format env into I'm Quizzy. I'll go inside internal slash config slash .env. Internal slash config. Okay. Internal slash config slash .env. That's where I'll paste it. And yeah, git commit. This should work. Most probably. Hopefully it runs fine this time. Alright. cd internal sa. Yeah, I do have .env. This time it should run. So, what's the CPU usage? Perfectly fine. Awesome. I think since I moved it into this keys directory, config directory, it should work. If it doesn't work now, I'll have to move to sending environment variables through Docker command. Okay, didn't work this time again. Okay, I need to give this is what? Wait a second, man. Do I have to give this? File path dot join pwd and go one level up and check for .env. Is this how it works? Let me confirm from upt once. What does this do in Golang? This line in Golang. Two levels up in the working directory. Yeah. All right. And I don't use this. Cool. Good. And good. What the fuck? Let's see if this works. still have .env? Of course. So rm.env. So docker. That's what I need. Hopefully it should run this time. What I can do is, if it doesn't run, I'll quickly do one thing. Path will be env path, or maybe like env path, and I'll add it here. I want to know what env path it is picking. .env /env. Yeah. /env with goes dot. Okay. Oh fuck, man! It doesn't go 2 levels up, does it? Wait a second. It goes inside internal. Alright, it goes 2 levels up. Alright, it goes 2 levels up. I have passed the right path, I guess. Wow. Why is this not working? I don't want to use AI for this one, actually. That's why I'm not asking GPT or anything to resolve the issue. Let's hope it gets resolved the way I'm doing it, or the way I want to do it. If any of you has any idea how to fix this one, please let me know in the chat. I don't need this. Okay, that's how you can use it. It's saying that's how you can use it, got it? Or else, how do you use it, man? What's the status? This was the path, right? Then what's the issue over here? Okay, wait a second. I do one thing. Make start. No such file. Developer personal projects. Okay. Present working directory. Okay, what is this? What's this present working directory? Present working directory is this projects / QC. Okay. Alright, wait a second then. It will be just this one. Right. It should be this then. Okay, and where is my main.yml? It is in QC. And it goes over here. Wait a second. I'll quickly add one log here, which will be, that's what I need. Let's see the proper logs this time, and what's the current PWD or anything like that. All right. So okay, that was the thing. Why did not print the current PWD, current working directory or anything like that? Okay. PWD alternate in Alpine. And PWD command. Docker file. Where are the logs? What's the issue here? Let's see. How to get this OS dot get working directory? Do we have something like this? Root working directory. Oh, it gives an error. Okay. Restart. And I'll do working directory here. Wait. Let's see what it does. Quizy, it is running. Okay, cool. And fix directory import push. this was an issue because I couldn't get the I couldn't see the log of present working directory. Right. Hopefully this should work. Okay, what happened? Unknown arguments. Mapping output field. No space left on device. What? I do have space, man. What the hell? How can we reduce the size now? Okay. Do we have any alternate to reduce the image size? Destroys. Okay. Wow. Hopefully this will run because we're using this directly, right? Need this. It is using a lot of space, man. Why did this happen? No space left on space device. Great. What's the issue right now? What is using most of the space? Fetch Docker. Oh, there are 21 total images. Oh my god. That's why, man. Wait, I must have. Okay, that's what you use. Yeah. what? I still have how much space? I don't need to build cache to it. Oh man, that was a hell of a thing actually. Now it's a lot better actually. So what I need to do is add 2 more commands to my pipeline. One is this. Of course, it will be going here. So docker this, and another will be prune. Where is prune? Where is prune? Why? Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to do this, and this should work pretty fine, I guess. Cool. Hopefully it runs this line. Did it work? I guess it did work. Let's see. Where's my instance? Okay, it didn't work. Ow. Fetch. Really great space. Okay. It is using really less space, I guess. So let's do one thing. Let me quickly just do one thing. Let's do this one. this time. Is present inside the app only, right? Is it? Okay, let me do one thing. So go pocket place. I have it right. About a minute ago. Why is this happening? Directories app, everything is getting copied into this app. Oh, wait a second. Okay. What just happened over here? Wait, copy.env. It couldn't copy. .env not found. Okay. Why is .env not found? That's my question. Over here, I already have .env over here, right? Yeah, I do have .env. Then what's the issue? The main thing is it is not present over here at this point. Moment of right. Let me quit this. Where is this? Backend. Where is the Docker file for this? Okay. Basically, what's the issue over here? Printing everything. ID of course. Copy everything. And if I check the deployed.yml file, export everything, and then Docker secrets download. Yeah, I do have everything, right? Is there an issue in my Docker compose? env file is this. Yep. What's the issue? What's the exact issue then? Okay. Just saying. .env not found. Wait a second, is this the case? Oh man, fuck it, man. What the fuck it? I have removed it, but how is this possible? Oh, fuck it, man. I just wasted this much time for no reason. Alright. Wait a second, I need to print these. Okay. And yeah, cool. This should work now. For all this time it was already present in Docker ignore. What the fuck? Cool. This builder. Remove image release build X component. Okay, anyways, whatever. This should work perfectly now. Yep, it is working perfectly fine now. Awesome, man. Finally it is working. Right off. Good.dev. We up and running now. Yep, perfectly fine. Awesome. I'll quickly add this in every single build of mine actually. Okay, for example, I'll add it here. Don't need this anymore. Finally, the Quizzy backend is also deployed, and right, cd something git. Git push. Cool. Next thing is need to do very simple. Okay, this is already added in password manager. Cool. I need to add these two commands. Ideally, in a bigger machine, in a real-time prod server, you won't be doing this. Yeah, you might be doing this for instance to remove all the unused images to free up space, but you won't be doing this because it will remove cache, which is not good for your general prod server because you'll be using that cache to generate builds. Alright, so git add git push and exit. This should work fine now. What? I didn't save this, yeah. Alright, let's see. How's the EC2 doing on CPU level? It should work fine, I guess. Yeah, it's awesome. Working perfectly fine, I guess. Let's check the usage. Yep, all good. Let me quickly exit this. Yep. Awesome, man. The whole project is up and running now. Auth check is working perfectly fine. Everything is working fine. Cool. Now all my projects are deployed using Docker. So, yep. That's it for the Docker deployment session. And wait a second. Do I have anything running? Docker may I need dashboard. Cool. Docker desktop, and yeah, that is it for the Docker deployment series. I'll be adding, I guess I have 3 videos for this. I'll be adding all these 3 into a playlist. And yeah, that is it for today. Thanks for watching.